So we'll continue with arithmetic progression. So few more questions. The question is, how many terms of question number 4? How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum $636. So how many terms? How many terms means you are going to find n. N you have to find out. For A equals to 7, D equals to 17 minus A equals to 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Sum 636. So sum का formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 636. Okay. Then n by 2, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8 is 636. So implies n by 2, 18 plus 18 minus 8, 636. Okay. Then n by 2, 10 plus 18 equals to 636. Take 2 common, this will be cancelled. N by 2, take 2 common, 5 plus 4n equals to 636. This 2 is cancelled. Okay. Then it is 5n plus 4n square equals to 636. So rewrite 4n square 5n. This will come this side. 636 equals to 0. When the numbers are big, use formula. A equals to 4, D equals to 5, C equals to minus 636. What is the formula of N? Minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC by 2A. So, we'll put for B. Minus 5, n equals to minus 5 plus minus 5 square minus 4 into minus 636, 2 into 4, 4AC. So minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 636 multiplied by 16. One 76 by 8. Okay, that is minus B plus minus 10201 by 8. अच्छा, look at here. 10201. First make it pair. Here is 1. Then 0 2 comes down, plus 1 2. You have to add here. If I put 1, this become 21, there is 2. 1 will not go, it will go with 0. 0, 0. 2, then 0, 1. Add this 0 here. 20, now put 1. Here also 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 2, 2. So 1, 0, 1 is the square root. So how much will you get? So minus 5 plus minus 101 by 8. So which are two values? Minus 5 plus 101 by 8. Minus 5 minus 101 by 8. So that is 96 by 8. 106 by 8. 12. This is rejected. Why rejected? Negative number. N cannot be negative. So n equals to 12. This is our answer. How many terms will 12 terms should be taken? Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5. The first term of AP is 5. The first term of AP is 5 and the last term is 45. Last term is 45 and the sum is 400 and the sum is 400. Okay. Then what you are asked, find the number of terms and the common difference. Find the number of terms and common difference. CD. Acha. Solution. First term is 5. A equals to 5. D last term. Last term means L. L is 45. Last term is L. Sum is 400. S is equal to 400. So we will use which formula of sum? N by 2 A plus L. Put the values. S में what will you write? 400 N by 2 5 plus 45. Okay. So 400 equals to n by 2 into 50. This is cancelled here 25. Therefore n equals to 400 by 25. 25 1 are 25. 10 100 14. So n equals to 50. Okay. So question number 5 they have done. Question number 6 is homework. Question number 6 is homework. See question number 7. Question number 7. Find the sum of 22 terms of AP. Find the sum of 22 terms of AP with D is equal to 7. D equals to 7 and 22nd term A22 equals to 149. It's very simple. What simple look at here? D is 7. A22 formula is A plus 21D equals to 149. तो So a plus 21 into 7 equals to, because d is equal to 7, 149. So a equals to 149 minus how much? 147. That is 2. You got a, you got d. Sum of 22 terms means n equals to 22. Okay, sum is 22. We want to find out. Actually, Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. Why a plus l? Now S22 you are asked, 22 by 2 a plus last term is a22 here. What is the last term? When you find S22, L is your A22. So 22 by 2, 2 plus A22 is 159. This is cancelled, 11. So 11 into 151. Okay. So eight is homework. Question number 8. Homework same method. See question number 9. The first find the sum of first 7 terms of AP. Question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49. Okay, and that of 17 terms. And that of 17 terms is 289. Okay, find the sum of first n terms. Find the sum of first n terms. Okay, let's see 7 terms. A7, how much? 49. What is the formula? Actually, Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ये formula है ना? तो A7 that is 7 by 2 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is 49, because n is equal to 7. Then what will you do? Then this will go that side. 2a plus 6d is 49 into 2 by 7. 2 will go up, 7 will go down. 7 7 down. So 2a plus 6d equals to 14. First question, first equation. Then S17 is 289. Same formula. 17 by 2. N by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is 289. This will go up, this will go down. 2a plus 16d equals to 289 into 2 by 17. 17 जाओ. So 2a plus 16d 34, equation number 2. So 2 and 1 solve together. 2a plus 6d equals to 14. Subtract. This is cancelled. 10d equals to 20. So d is how much? D equals to 20 by 10, that is 2. So 2a plus 6d equals to 14. One of the equation, put the value of d. D will put 2 here. 2a plus 6 into 2 equals to 14. Then 2a equals to 14 minus 12, that is 2. A equals to 2 by 2, that is 1. You are asked to find Sn. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because you are asked to find this one. So how much? N by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, b is 2. N by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 to cancel. How much you got? That is n by 2 into 2n. 2 is also cancelled. N square. So you have to practice very nicely these questions. Same question you will get in the exam. See question number 10. Question number 10 is, show that A1, A2, AN form an AP, where N is defined as N equals to 3 plus 4n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms. Okay. N equals to 3 plus 4n. Last term, put n is equal to 1. A1, that is 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 7. A1 means your first term, that is A is equal to 7. Put n is equal to 2. A2, 3 plus 4 into 2. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. A3 is 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 15. Now look at this sequence whether this is the terms are AP or not. So the series is 7 plus 11 plus 15 like this. Okay. So you can see how to know it is AP, not common difference. D you have to find out. 11 minus 7, that is 4. D equals to 15 minus 11, that is also 4. This minus this should be equal to this minus this. So therefore the series is AP. Sum of first 15 terms you are asked. 15 terms means S 15 you have to find out. So Sn you write n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S 15, 15 by 2, 2 into a. What is a? First term 7. n is 15. 15 minus 1, d equals to 4. What is simplified? How much will you get? 15 by 2, 14 plus 14 into 4. 15 by 2, 14 plus 56. Okay. So how much you will get? 15 by 2 into 70. 35. Okay, then question number 11 is very important. If the sum of first n terms of a p, sum of first in terms of a p is 4n minus n square, where the first term is s1, where the first term is s1. What is the sum of first two terms? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? What is the second term? Then similarly find third, 10th and nth term. Find third, 10th and nth term. To understand this, let me tell you. When you write Sn, what you write? Now a plus d, a plus 2d, like this, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is sum of first one term. This is your S1. Means only first term is sum of the first term. When you go to these two, this and this together is called S2. Means A and A plus D will be called S2. Similarly, this first, second, third. First plus second plus third is S3 like this. So, what is Sn given to us? 4n minus n square. Sn is 4n minus n square. Then what is S1? 4 into 1 minus 1 square, put n is equal to 1. That is how much? 4 minus 1, that is 3. Which one is your S1? Look at here. Your A is S1. Therefore, A equals to 3. Then find S2. S2 means put n is equal to 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. That is 8 minus 4, that is 4. But what is AS2? Look at here. A plus D. A plus D equals to 4. So in place of A, what will you write? 3 you will write. This is sum of first two terms. This is only second term. This is sum of first two terms. 3 plus D equals to 4. D equals to 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. Therefore, second term means A plus D. A means 3 minus 2, that is 1. What will be A3? A3. A plus 2D. That is 3 plus 2 into minus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. A10. A plus 9D. 3 plus 9 into minus 2. 3 minus 18, that is minus 15. AN. What is AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. A means 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. This is minus 2n. Minus minus plus 2. That is 5 minus 2. Okay? Then see the next question. Question number 12. Is find the sum of first positive integers divisible by 6. Find the sum of positive first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 means multiple of 6 you have to write. So multiple of 6 means first term will be 6. Second term will be 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 6 18. Like this up to 40 terms. Okay. Then what is A? A is 6. What is D? 12 minus 6 6. What is N? 40. So Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the values, complete this question. Okay. Next, 13 you see. Question number 13. Find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8, that is homework. 13 will be homework. 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. That is important. 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So first you find out which are the odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 is even number, because divided by 2. So first number became 2. After 0, sorry, first number will become 1, odd number. Then next odd number is 3. Next odd is 5. 50 is divisible by 2. So previous number you have to take 49. That means your A equals to 1. B equals to 3 minus 1, 2. This is what? Last number. AN. 49. So if you use AN, you will find AN. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 49. 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 equals to 59. Okay? 1 plus 2n minus 2 equals to 49. Then 2n minus 1 equals to 59. 2n equals to 49 plus 1, 50. So n equals to 50 by 2, that is 25. Okay, what is your Sn? N by 2. Here A plus N, because the last term is given. So 25 by 2. A is 1 and 49. So try to simplify. I am giving a homework, try to do. Find the sum of even numbers from 0 to 50. From means this will be included, this will be included. So 0 is the first number. Even means again plus 2 like this 50. So try to complete. Okay. Then remaining are the word problems which are not in our syllabus. Only one question we will do. Go to exercise 5.4, that is optional question number 1. That is 1, 2 you will be homework, 1 I will do for you. Exercise 5.4, question number 1. That is told, which term of a peak, that is 121, 117, 113 is first negative term. That means decreasing means obviously there will be negative. So which one will be the first negative term? You write here, let A be the first negative term. तो नेगेटिव का मीनिंग क्या होगा ना, n is less than 0. तो n का फॉर्मूला a plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0. So find out what is a. 121. What is d? 117 minus 121, that is minus 4. So value put करो. 121 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 is less than 0. Less than 0. So 121 minus 4n plus 4 is less than 0. 121 plus 4 is 125 minus 4n is less than 0. Then if I take this one this side, 125 less than 4n, 4 will be divided. 125 by 4 less than n. Divide here. 4 3s are division. You can do. अच्छा इसको उल्टा करो. because you want to find n. n will be greater than, if you change the sign, ये sign change होगा 31.25. that means n is greater than 31.25. what is the next integer? n equals to 32. okay, so this chapter is finished.